Hey everyone, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix server's full friends can't join issue in once human. As you can see, this is like literally a global issue. This is not something only you are facing because your network is unstable, your device is unstable. None of that things. It's basically like just an issue with the game, and like the servers have a max sign up capacity. So this is basically why it's facing, and honestly there is nothing much you can do for it. Like, you can create a new fresh character on a new server with your friends, but this will create a lot of problems obviously. And then your friends can play on like a separate server until the season ends, but unfortunately until the devs put a solution to this, there is nothing we can do. Like in August they said we'll get an invite code to let friends into full servers, but they have not confirmed anything about it. So unfortunately you just have to wait until the next patch or next update and see if this gets fixed or not. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.